Let's learn how to make a Pinterest account public. It's very simple, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. If you want to learn how to do this, all you need to do is watch this video until the end. The first thing you need to check is whether your Pinterest app is updated. I'll show you how to do that. You can check by opening the App Store, and when it opens, select the search option. The search option is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on that option, and a page will open where you need to type in Pinterest. Once you've typed in Pinterest, a page with the Pinterest app will open. If it says Open next to Pinterest, it means the app is updated. If it says Update next to the Pinterest app, just click on Update and wait a moment. Once you're sure your Pinterest app is updated, open it by clicking the Open button. When Pinterest opens, check if you are on the correct account. Once you're sure you're on the right account, we can start. The first thing you need to do when Pinterest opens is to click on the Saved option. The Saved option is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you click on this option, a page will open with the things you've saved. In the top left corner of that page, you will see your profile icon. You need to click on that icon. After clicking on it, a page with many options will open. From all the options on that page, you need to click on the Profile Visibility option. After clicking on the Profile Visibility option, a page with two options will open. You need the first option. If that option is turned on, turn it off, and you will have successfully made your Pinterest account public. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.